Hi, this instructional video is about dilation. Dilation. Particularly, this dilation is about enlarging. Remember scale factor when it's greater than 1? In this case, it's a scale factor of 3. It means it's enlarging. But the center is not at the origin anymore. This is a center that is not the origin. In this case, it's at 4 and negative 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is the point in which it indicates a center. So 4 and negative 2. And now we're going to go ahead and plot these coordinates, these vertices, and we're going to enlarge it by a scale factor of 3. So let's go and plot those. Alright then, so these are the vertices, and here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to determine the translation, the number of horizontal and vertical shift that we need to take from the center to each of the vertices. In this case, for vertex A. The x value, from here, we have to shift to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whatever the x value is, in this case 4, we have to shift to the left 6 units. And the y? Well, once you shift, we're right there. We don't have to go up or down. So y, there is no shift, so it's just plus 0, like a placeholder. Now we're going to enlarge the distance by a factor of 3. So we're going to take that 6 units to the left translation and multiply by 3. So that means total of 18 units to the left. And the y, of course, it was a 0 times 3 units enlargement. There is no movement up or down. So what we need to do now is we're going to take that x and y value of the center and find the new coordinate by combining it to the x. So 4 minus 18 is going to be negative 14. And negative 2 combined with the 0 is still negative 2. And this will be the new coordinate A prime. So let's go and plot that. A prime is at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and down 2, right there. And that's the A prime at the coordinate negative 14 and negative 2. I think you already got the idea. And I'm going to repeat the process for vertex B. So the translation required to go from the center to the B is to the left 1, 2, 3. So x minus 3 because it's to the left. And then go up 1 unit. So y plus 1. However, we're going to take the number of translation for each unit and times the factor of 3. So that's negative 3 times 3, which will be 9 total horizontal shift to the left. And then 1 times 3 is going to be 3 units up. So we're going to take the 4 and combine it with the total number of translation. So 4 minus 9 is going to be negative 5. And negative 2 combined with 3 is going to be positive 1. So that's going to be the new coordinate for B prime. So that's from here 2, 4, 5, and 1. That will be B prime, and the coordinate is negative 5 and 1. And the C, we're going to do it again. The C, to go from the center to the vertex C is 1, 2. No, wait a minute, x. There is no x. So x minus or plus 0, there is no translation. But the y value is 1, 2. So y minus 2. I just realized you can't see that. So anyway, 4 minus 0 is going to be 4. And negative 2 minus negative 6 will be at negative 8. So that's going to be the C prime. So let's go and plot that point. So x is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 4, 6, 8. There it is. And that's going to be the C prime at the coordinate 4 and negative 8. And let's go ahead and plot. I already did that. Let's go ahead and draw the line in between those vertices to get the actual polygon that's been enlarged 3 times the original. Now here's the amazing thing. Check this out. The thing is, check it out. Here's the center, and if I were to increase or dilate it along the line, from here to there is 1, 2, 3 units. From here to that A prime, it is 1, 2, 3. And from here to the third point, it expands out 1, 2, 3. Okay? Hey, does that mean it's like a rise over run? 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Yes, it is. Dilation has a lot to do with the rate of change, or the slope. Rise over run, that is. And that is why the Common Core requires the transformations, particularly dilation, as part of a precursor to studying linear equations. Alright? So if you think you got that, why don't you try that one, where you dilate the image by a factor of 2 using the point -4 and 6 as a center given these coordinates. Go ahead, try that.